everybody, welcome to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we are going to do a recap of 3 sounds we've recently learnt. The sounds are D, G and M. So I've got my flashcards, I'm going to hold them up and we'll see how many you can remember. D, M. G. Now I'll show you some pictures. I want you to tell me which sound the picture starts with. Mouse starts with a doesn't it? Dog starts with a D. And goose starts with a G. Let's do some sorting. I have some very special things in my case today. They either start with the sound or D or G. So I need your help to tell me which card I have to put the object on. Let's see what's in the case. My first object is a duck. So which sound does duck start with? That's right, it starts with a D. I have a motorbike. That starts with a doesn't it? I have a donut. Can you tell me which sound that starts with? Yes, it starts with a D. Golf ball. That's right, it starts with a G, doesn't it? Medal. That starts with a M. And last of all, grapes. Which sound do grapes start with? Yes, they start with a G. Well done. Let's end with a game of I Spy. The choices are meerkat, donkey, glasses. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the sound Can you tell me what it is? That's right, it was the meerkat. Let's do another one. This time the choices are dog, glove, mouse. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the sound G. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's the glove. And for the last time, our choices are glass, doll, monkey. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the sound D. That's right, it was the doll. We've reached the end of today's learning. If you found this useful in any way, then please would you subscribe to my channel. It would be really helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.